Hello, welcome to my short videos on C Sharp data structures. And today you're going to talk about the linked list and how linked list can use other data structures in its operations. So linked list is a kind of data structure that is very unique. It enables data to be stored anywhere in the memory. But in order for it to be organized, it had pointers that point to each node or each element in the memory. And using some of the data structures like stack and queue enables it to store data efficiently. So we'll describe how stack and queue with their respective operations helps with using linked list um, in data structure. So with stack, it is last in, first out. And when we are probably using a single linked list, we keep a reference of the head node. And then the head node would represent the top of the stack. When we're using the operations of push, we insert a node with a value of x at the head of the list. And the time complexity is zero or notation to into bracket one, that is constant time. When we are popping out the value, we're actually removing and returning the node at the head of the list. And using the get top method, we return the value at the head without removing it. And with is empty, we check if the head is null. And all the time complexity for these operations are constant time, big O notation into bracket one. For queuing, it is actually first in and first out. And so when we're using a linked list to set up with queue operations, we keep a reference to both the head, which is the front of the queue, and the tail, that is the rear of the queue. New elements are added at the tail and removed from the head. Okay. And with its operations, when we are enqueuing, we create a node with a value of x and append it to the tail. Okay. And when we are dequeuing, we remove and return the node at the head and update the head pointer. Now, with the operation of size, we maintain a size counter updated during the enqueue and dequeue and return it. And if it's empty, we'll check if the head is null. So these are the operations basically for linked list.